All right, Benjamin Bulldog fans, final test of the day. I have 3 2x4s, top and bottom. The top one's spaced apart a little bit. The bottom ones, as you can see, they're in the brick, so they're stuck in there nice and snug. I have a 2x6 behind it. I've got the 145 grain Benjamin pellets, and I have a full 3,000 PSI fill. So, supposedly at 2,500 you get your most power. We're gonna put that to the test. So, we'll get there real quick in this gun. First, I'm gonna shoot the top part. We'll see where we're at. Here we go. Woo! 772. Let's see what that did. Uh-oh. It did not go all the way through 3 of them. All right. 772 didn't do it. Let's see if the second shot is so harder. All right. $771. All right, I'm gonna go to the bottom board now. Here we go. $755. All right, 4th shot. And that one's still not at 2,500 PSI, but I clocked this at 899 at 2,500 PSI, so this will have to do. Okay. I didn't clock that one, it was an error. I think the laser might have screwed it up. Let's see what we got here. Okay. All right, went through all 3. Did not penetrate the 3rd one. Now that first one, I don't know if you could see that bullet in there. It literally almost went all the way through. Disappointing. Okay, did not get through all 3 of these either. Yesterday, or the other day when I did this test, it was wet outside. I wonder if that had something to do with it, because it went through all 3 of them in a plastic bucket. Easy. Penetrated that. Oh, there's the tip right there. Huh. That's what she said. And we got a fresh piece still with a little ding on it. Move that over and still use that. All right, so we're right at 2,500. Let's see if 2,500 is the magic number for this gun. Let's see. Shoot this right here still. Okay. So I'm going to hit right here. As you can see, it's clean, no holes. It's going to go right through here. Here we go. Last shot. This would be your 5th shot on the Benjamin Bulldog on the same fill. See if I can mimic. What the hell was that? 3791. All right, here we go. Oh, Guess I gotta cock it. Alright, hold on. We're missing. Alright. Here we go. Sorry about the wait. 3,700 miles an hour. That must have been the laser. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, that was loud. 743. All right, so now I'm going to change pellets and see if that makes a difference, but I doubt it. It almost goes through 3 of them. So if the 2x4s are wet, it'll definitely go through them. All right, let's change pellets. See what we get. Separate these. All right. I'm going to try the 130 grain pellet this time. See what this can do. This is a more softer lead though. I do not think it's going to have the precision or the penetration that the ballistic tip did. Right at 3,000. Save these bullets for a rainy day. These are literally $1 a piece. A bullet. It costs, it's actually more than $1 because it's $30 for that plus shipping, and there's only 25 in a box. Benjamin, y'all need to put more in there, man. That sucks. I'd buy a lot more if you had more like 100 count instead of 25. That's reasonable. And it's pellet gun pellets. You guys are charging more than the real firearm pellets. All right, here we go. 803. Let's see what that did. One pass through. 2. Oh, just didn't even quite do 2, but definitely got through 1. Move that over a little bit. Very disappointing for that soft lead. I'm going to jump up to the really heavy 163 grain flat nose that you can get from Flinging Precision Air Gun on eBay, which I was pretty happy to find out I could still get pellets there. I mean, these pellets are hard to find right now with all the drama going around. Everybody's scared to death, buying everything up. I mean, 22 caliber BB gun pellets were sold out. I mean, what are you going to do with that? You going to eat squirrel? I can't believe those pellets were sold out. Can't even get them at Walmart anymore. That's why a reason I started to go up to a bigger caliber. Alright, so this is the heaviest thing I got. I'm right at 2,700. I I'm going to show you what 5 shots looks like. I'll shoot 3 on top and 1 on the bottom. Might as well just leave it tethered, but I want you to see what it'll do. I know these bullets aren't going to go through 3, so I'm just going to put 2 up there, and we got the 2x6 behind it anyway. I'm getting the same result at 25 and 50 yards, just so you know, with this test. All right. 729. Let's try that bottom one. Oh, 732. Man, that rings my ears. Huh. Punched right through that thing. Alright, these 2 are unscathed. As you can see, complete pass through. And this knocked the sap out of it. Went through 1 2x4, in through the second, and just look what it did. Just blew out the guts of that. That's that 63 grain wide pellet. Let's do that same test right here with this one, with that bullet. Not gonna mess with the filling it back up. Same shot. .744, if you could see that. Let's do one more. I think it went through. .732. So it's going down constantly every shot. Perfect little hole punch right there, right through there. Look at that lead. Pretty nice chunk. Some big damage right there. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.